guys, how are you all? And this is Manisha here, and welcome back to my channel Clever Mind Manisha. So today we are knowing about Prime Ministers of India. So yeah, let's get started. Number 1, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in India politics both before and after independence. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 14 November 1889, died in 27th May 1964. Parents: Father Motilal Nehru, Mother Swaroop Rani Nehru. Number 2, Gulzari Lal Nanda. Gulzari Lal Nanda was an Indian political and economist who specialized in labor issues. He was the acting Prime Minister of India for 2 short periods following the deaths of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964 and Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966. Number 3, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was an Indian statesman and politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born in 2 October 1904, died in 11 October 1966. Children: Anil Shastri, Sunil Shastri, Hari Krishna Shastri, Suman Shastri, Ashok Shastri and Kusum Shastri. Number 4, Gulzari Lal Nanda. Gulzari Lal Nanda was an Indian politician and economist who specialized in labor issues. He was the acting Prime Minister of India for 2 short periods of the following of the deaths of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964 and Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966. Number 5, Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi was born in 19 November 1917. Children: Rajiv Gandhi and Sanjay Gandhi. Number 6, Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai was an Indian independence activist and served between 1977 and 1979 as the 4th Prime Minister of India and led the government formed by the Janata Party. Morarji Desai was born in 29 February 1896 and died in 10 April 1995. Party Janata Dal. Book The Story of My Life. Award Bharat Ratna Nishan-e-Pakistan. Number 7, Charan Singh. Chaudhry Charan Singh served as the 5th Prime Minister of India between 28 July 1979 and 14 January 1980. Historians and people alike frequently refer to him as the champion of presence. Charan Singh was born in 23 December 1902 and died in 29 May 1987, New Delhi. Party Janata Party Secular. Children: Ajit Singh, Satyavati Solanki, Sarda Singh, Gayavati Singh, Vedavati Singh. Parents: Natar Kaur Mir Singh. Number 8, Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi was born in 19 November 1917. Children: Rajiv Gandhi, Sanjay Gandhi. Number 9, Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Ratna Gandhi was an Indian politician who served as the 6th Prime Minister of India from 1984 to 1989. He took office after a 1984 assassination of his mother, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, to become the youngest Indian Prime Minister at age of 40. Rajiv Gandhi, born in 20 August 1944, assassination 21 May 1991, education Trinity College, parents Indira Gandhi, Firoz Gandhi, children Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi. Number 10, Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Vishwanath Pratap Singh, also known as VP Singh, was an Indian politician who was the 7th Prime Minister of India from 1989 to 1990. He was educated at Allahabad University and Pune University. Born 25 June 1931, died 27 November 2008. Party Jan Morcha. Educated University of Allahabad. Books Vishwanath Pratap Singh, politician, painter, poet, Every Time I Wake Up. Number 11, Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar Singh was an Indian politician who served as the 8th Prime Minister of India between 10 November 1990 and 21 June 1991. He headed a minority government of a breakaway faction of the Janata Dal with outside support of the Indian National Congress. Born 1 July 1927, died 8 July 2007. Party Samajwadi Janata Party. Spouse Duja Devi. Children Neeraj Shekhar, Pankaj Shekhar Singh. Number 12, PV Narasimha Rao. Pamulaparthi Venkata Narasimha Rao was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the 10th Prime Minister of India from 1991 to 1996. His ascendancy to the Prime Ministership was politically significant in that he was the second holder of his office from the non-Hindi speaking region and the first from South India. Born 28 June 1921, died 23 December 2004. Full name Pamulaparthi Venkata Narasimha Rao. Spouse Satyamma Rao. Children PV Ranga Rao, PV Najeshwar Rao, Vani Dayakar Rao, Jayanandan Vijaya Prasad. Number 13, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was an Indian statesman who served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India, first for a term of 13 days in 1996, then for a period of 13 months from 1998 to 1999, followed by a full term from 1999 to 2004. Vajpayee was one of the co-founders and a senior leader of Bharatiya Janata Party. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was born in 25 December 1924, died in 16 August 2018. Party Bharatiya Janata Party. Previous office Prime Minister of India. Education Maharani Lakshmi Bai, Government College. Number 14, H.D. Deve Gowda. Haradanahali Dode Gowda Deve Gowda is an Indian politician and formed Prime Minister of India from 1 June 1996 to 21st April 1997. He was previously the 14th Chief Minister of Karnataka from 1994 to 1996. He presently is a Member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha representing Karnataka. He was born in 18 May 1933. Party Janata Party. Spouse Chinnamma Deve Gowda. Children H.D. Kumaraswamy, H.D. Revanna, H.D. Balakrishna Gowda, H.D. Anusuya. Previous office Member of Lok Sabha. Grandchildren Nikhil Gowda, Prajwal Ravanna, Samika K, Swami Siraj. Number 15, Inder Kumar Gujral. Inder Kumar Gujral was an Indian diplomat, politician and freedom activist who served as the 12th Prime Minister of India from April 1997 to March 1998. Born in Punjab, he was influenced by nationalist ideas as a student and joined the All India Students Federation of Communist Party of India. Born 4 December 1919, died 30 November 2012. Party Janata Party. Spouse Sheila Gujral. Education DAV College. Books Matters of Dispersion, Viewprint, Civilization, Democracy of Frozen Policy. 16. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was an Indian statesman who served 3 times as the Prime Minister of India, first for a term 13 days in 1996, then for a period of 13 months from 1998 to 1999, followed by a full term 1999 to 2004. Vajpayee was one of the co-founder and a senior leader of Bharatiya Janata Party. He was born in 25 December 1924, died in 16 August 2018. Party Bharatiya Janata Party. Previous office Prime Minister of India. Education Maharani Lakshmibai Government College. Number 17, Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh is an Indian economist, academic and politician who served as the 13th Prime Minister of India from 2004 to 2014. The first Sikh in office. Singh was also the first Prime Minister since Jawaharlal Nehru to be re-elected after completing full 5 years term. Born 26 September 1932. Spouse Gurcharan Kaur. Educated at St. John College. Previous office Minister of Finance of India. Children Yupinder Singh, Amrit Singh, Daman Singh. Number 18, Narendra Modi. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament of Varanasi. Educated Gujarat University. Born 17 September 1950. Full name Narendra Damodar Modi. Height 1.7 meter. Spouse Jashodaben Modi. I think you would understand clearly, so please do like, share, comment and how is the video, and please do subscribe to get more notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Till the next video.